Okay, we got this coil out. Got the new end coil going in. We just took out the old line set. Corey's in a crawl space back there. Hang on, Corey. I gotta shut my phone off. Can't get any work done. I need a cameraman for my YouTube channel. We could really get something done. Okay, I got my coil in there. Usually I'd try to keep it over this way as far as possible, but chimney was right up against my drain line here, so I had to move it over to the left. I do that. I keep it that way typically because all these little capillary tubes I don't want rubbing up against this side of the coil or sheet metal. Corey's got the line set all in there, strapped up. I think he's soldered in out there already. And got my door. Basically, I just cut a hole in the front of this and got my door ready to go on here. Just like so. Screw that. You gotta be careful when you're screwing these doors on, though. You don't want to put any holes in the aluminum. Alrighty then. Brand new line set, new drain line, perfection. She's in, she's running. Got that dryer vent there, right there, blowing that lint. You got to keep up on that. Make sure you people hose off your coils, just regular hose pressure from the top down. If you got cottonwood or dryer lint situation, number one way to murder a compressor prematurely is to let it run with your condenser coil plugged. Bonnie view. Like that, that's a problem. Don't want that coil to get all mucked up like that. And then the house side's always going to be more the worst part of it. Supposed to rain. Good grass growing weather. I got my seed, some rain finally. Got seed down at both my houses, the lake and Woodbury. Got the rainbow right there. Oh, it's all the way over. Both ends of her. Choice.